Yo, what's up YouTube? It is your boy datboiivince here, back with another vlog. Now I know I haven't vlogged in a while, but I promise you guys that I'm gonna do way more vlogs. I got a lot more vlogs that I have to edit for you guys. So today is the day. Today's the day. I finally got my vlog camera. I'm so excited for this. It's been a long time in the making. It's just something that I wanted to get because I always vlog on my phone. For all my upcoming vloggers like myself, I will always vlog on my phone, and I got a lot of contacts on my phone. So I was just like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and get me a camera that can help me out, But yeah, but before I get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. As always, we are on the road to 2,000 subscribers, so let's try to get to 2,000 subscribers, and I will do another video. All right. So this camera, I had to buy a couple things along with the camera. It didn't come in a set, so I had to buy the tripod, and then the mic just came like 5 minutes ago. So I'm so excited. So this is the mic right here. I'm going to this is a 4K Ultra HD camera. Alright, 4K Ultra HD camera. This is a starting camera that I wanted to get for myself because I do want to take vlogging to the next level, go outside, meet new people, stuff like that. I want people to be like, hey, are you a vlogger? They'll be like, yeah, I am, stuff like that. So I do want to bring the camera outside of the house to see how it is, stuff like that. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. I already opened it a few months ago, so I'm very excited for this, y'all. Like seriously, you guys just don't know. So it also came with their own case. You feel me? So it got their own case right here. So let's open the case. Well, before we do that, let's go through some of the things that it came with. So it came with a DV037 lens. Come with the lens so I can sit in front of the camera. It also came with their own charger and HDMI port, so that way I can upload videos, I can edit videos on my editing software and stuff like that. Also came with their own little arm thing. So the arm thing, it extends out. It also came in that, so I won't have to hold it as much. That's pretty cool. Alright, so that's in the box. Next up we have the camera. So I'm going to open this camera and see what it looks like. I already know what it looks like. And bro, look at this camera, man. Oh my god, I'm literally so excited for this camera. Now I'm going to actually put it on a tripod to actually show you guys what it looks like. So this is what the camera is. This is a 4K Ultra HD camera. Alright, this is a started camera that I wanted so I can start doing my vlogs on this stuff. It actually turns on this stuff. It might be dead, but yeah, it's dead. So this is a 4K Ultra HD camera. It comes with a mic, SD card. I bought the SD card a few weeks ago. Trying to open the bottom, y'all. So I bought the SD card a few weeks ago. This is a 128 megabyte HD card. Put it in the camera so I can have storage, stuff like that. So when I do vlog, I ain't gotta worry about storage, you feel me? So next thing up, this is actually gonna be a short vlog, you guys. But we're gonna go into it. The mic came today, so this is the mic. Let's go ahead and open it and see. Appreciate all you guys for all the love and support. It really means a lot. Struggling trying to open this bag, and the reason why I haven't been vlogging this much is because of the simple fact that I live with my mom, so it's kind of hard to vlog with her here, because she always needs me for every little thing, which I don't mind. I love my mama to death. Love my mom. I'm a mama's boy, so love my mama to death. So this is the mic. Now I'm gonna be real, bro. The last mic, I actually broke it. I was trying to fix the camera. I was trying to stand the camera up and I actually broke it. So this is the mic that it came with. Let me open it and see what y'all think. But yeah, guys, I really hope you guys are going to enjoy this. This is actually an unboxing. I got another unboxing that I'm doing later on this in the next couple weeks. So we're gonna put that there. So this is what it looks like. This is my camera mic. You feel me? Most of the time I probably might just use this one on my chest, but this is the mic. All right. So now what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna put. Oh, one more thing. I got the tripod. I fell in love with this thing because it you know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't gotta carry the camera. I could just do it like this, and then stuff like that. So, and it got my colors. I love blue and black, y'all. Like, blue and black is my color. You feel me? Like, I love this color to death. You guys just don't know. And the real thing is because of the simple fact that I just got tired of holding my camera. The camera that I just showed you, I just got tired of holding it. So I was just like, let me just get a tripod. Got the tripod, came the next day, fell in love with it ever since. Oh my God, bro. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put this camera up real quick on the tripod and see how it is. I'm so excited for this, y'all. Like, literally so excited. Appreciate all the new subscribers, bro. Appreciate all the new subscribers. This is something that is long overdue, like literally long overdue. Like, I've been wanting to do this for a while. It be a lot of stuff that is long overdue due to the fact that I be at work. So I really don't have the time to actually do it. So we got the lens. We're gonna put the lens on. The lens is a screw, so we can just screw it on here. See how it is. You feel me? And then we have this. We have the arm. So we're gonna I'm sorry, not the arm. Then we got the mic. So we're gonna slide the mic in here. And there you go. This is like, oh my God, bro. Look at this. Y'all, look at this, bro. Look at this, bro. I can't wait till I start vlogging with this, y'all. This is my baby right here, bro. I love this to the fullest extent, bro. Like, I have so many vlogs that I have to edit with this, and I'm so excited for this. This is actually a dream come true to actually have a starting camera like this. You know what I'm saying? This is a DVC, the digital video camera. I got this camera off Walmart for like 130 bucks. It's just a starting camera, so some way down the road I will do it. But this is actually a short video, you guys. This is something that I wanted to do for a while. Thank you guys for all the love and support, man. It really means a lot. I wake up every day blessed to have you guys subscribe to my channel as always, man. Only thank God above you, so always thank God for yourself. You feel me? This is banging right here, bro. Look at this, bro. What y'all think? Y'all let me know right now in the comments. Y'all let me know right now in the comments. Do y'all think that this is a good camera? Do y'all think that I'm gonna start vlogging with this camera? What y'all think about this camera? Not only that, the stand on the tripod, you know what I'm saying? Like, it is so unique. Like, it can like bend, it can stretch, you can do so much with it, you feel me? So yeah, guys, that is the camera, you know what I'm saying? I got a few more vlogs headed up your way. I gotta get this chair. So that's the next vlog I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get this chair. And we're gonna go from there. I really hope you guys did enjoy this little short vlog. Like I said, I'm sorry for not vlogging this much. I want to start back vlogging more, but me being at home with my mom, it kind of takes out the fun in that. And I'm really sorry for that. Me being at work, I got 2 jobs, so it's just like it's something that I want to do. I do want to stream full time. I do want to vlog full time. You know what I'm saying? So those dreams is gonna come true in reality. So I just want to thank you guys for all the love and support. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and most importantly, turn on those notifications so you know every time I drop a vlog. But yeah, guys, on that note, I hope you guys did enjoy. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing. See y'all next time, man. Peace.